Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the s go to the right. This one go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one I can put y to the power of negative number 3 dy. To s we multiply by this one and number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. So we put negative number 3 gone here. So negative number 3 plus 1, we have negative number 2. And now we have y to the power of negative number 2 over negative number 2. This one we have s to the power of 4 and s squared. So we have the condition. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here, s gone here, and we can find the value of c. That is about negative number 5 over number 2. So we put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.